Bonjour everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. My name is Louisa, you are watching Lulu C'est la vie, and for today's video we are going to do a protein mask. You like my fan? I got this in France last year. How pretty, look at this. How beautiful is this? Anyway, so today I want to do a protein treatment in my hair. Why? Because, well, this is day 3 hair, and I am really not happy with how my curls are, how my hair feels. It feels dry, it feels brittle, my curls are elongated. I just don't like it at all. A couple things. I've been using new product all week, last week. If you follow me, you saw that I've been trying a new line of product called TJIN. Thanks God it's natural, and I will link it right here for you to see my review on this product. And although I love the list of ingredients in this line of product, I feel like it didn't do a good job at hydrating my hair. Usually the products that I use on my hair are super hydrated. It tends to weight my hair down. Those products was pretty much the opposite, and I feel like I spent the whole week stripping my hair out of its moisture, and now I feel like my hair's like dying for moisture, and I feel like they can use a little boost, a little protein treatment could really help replenish them, and just give them a little oomph, a little. Also, another thing is that we are entering into winter temperature. Not really temperature, because today is quite hot, hence my beautiful fan. But I feel like the atmosphere, the air in general is like drier. I feel like my skin is getting a little bit tighter, drier towards midday. I feel like my hair dries a lot faster. So I just want to pamper my hair a little bit this week and do a couple protein treatments. Finally, my hair is high porosity. That means that it will be real fast on taking the moisture, but it will also be really fast on letting go of the moisture. Therefore, towards midday, end of the day, my hair tends to get really dry really fast. It's great when you want to get volume, but it sucks when you want to get definition and you don't want your ends to break so easily. And I have fine wavy to curly hair, therefore my hair is very fragile, and if it's too dry it tends to break really fast. All that being said, I am going to show you guys how to do a quick, easy, cost efficient protein mask with stuff that you will get in your kitchen, and then I'll show you how I apply it on my hair, and then we shall see the result and see if it did it a good job. All right, you guys, with no further ado, let's start making the protein treatment. For this recipe you will need some rice water, some honey, an egg, a yogurt. Here I'm using one that Ella didn't want to eat. Something to mix, a spoon, and a spatula. So first you're going to empty the yogurt into your bowl. Then you're going to add your egg, 1 tablespoon of honey, or more if you want, but for this one I just put 1 tablespoon. You want to mix everything together very nicely. And finally we will add a little bit of rice water. Once everything is nicely mixed together, you're going to put everything in a container. And voila, your treatment is ready. Alright you guys, my hair is all clean. I am going to apply the hair mask. It is so liquid that I don't even want to call it a mask, I want to call it a treatment. I'm going to do my best to apply it without making too much of a mess, but if I see that it's too messy, I'm going to go in my bathtub and then apply it there. And then I'm gonna let it sit for about 20 minutes, and then we shall see. And then I will rinse it out, and then we should see the result. All right, it smells, right now it smells like the yogurt. It smells like the blueberry yogurt that Ella did not eat. That's pretty much the smell of it right now, so it's pretty nice. Okay, you guys, I did one side and it's pretty messy, so I'm gonna go in my bathroom. I'm gonna apply the rest because I don't really want to keep this. I want to try to put everything in my hair, so I'm gonna go get messy in my bathtub, and then I will come back in front of you in a second. See you in a second. All right, my loves, I am back. Okay, so what did I do? I applied the treatment all over my hair. I really saturated my hair with the treatment. You really want to do that under the shower because, like I said, it's super liquid and it gets very messy. So do it under your shower after you are done washing or cleansing your hair. Apply this treatment all over your hair. Detangle your hair, massage your hair, make sure that you are letting this thing penetrate your hair. Then you want to take your shower cap or a plastic bag and wrap it around your head. What I did after that is I took a microfiber towel that you can see, the pink one right here. I wet it and I put it in the microwave for 1 minute. Once it was at a temperature that I could handle, I put it around my head. And then this shower cap, same thing, it's a shower cap that you put in the microwave for a little bit. Like I put it for 1 minute and then I let it cool off a little bit and then put it on top of everything. So I've been wearing this for about 25 minutes now. This shower cap is giving me a headache, so I'm gonna take it out. And then what I want to do is, oh gosh, this thing is so uncomfortable. I have to buy another one. What I want to do now is go back in the shower and rinse off all my hair. And I will style my hair and talk to you a little bit about, you know, the treatment, my hair, how it feels. And we'll see together the difference in my hair and my curls and all that. Alright guys, I am done styling my hair. Here's what I did. I rinse out my hair with warm water, not cold, not hot, but warm water. And then I use a curl cleanser from Bouclem. I use that all over my hair. I detangled my hair, I rinsed it off, and once it was all clean, I put my hair in a bowl. Well, it's not a bowl, it's more like a glass of rice water. I just, you know, just put my hair into the rice water and then pour the rest of the rice water all over my hair, and then I scrunched everything out. Now, my hair was not like silky and easy to detangle. It was more of a brittle, but not quite dry, just not like this silky feeling you are used to get once you put some detangler or once you rinse out a nice mask. Okay, this was more like a harsher, you know, I had to be really gentle with my hair. Now, once I was done with the rice water, I got out the shower and I had a head of curls that were clumped together and super defined, but like kind of like this, but like bigger curls. It was interesting, let's put it this way. As far as the styling products, I use Rockin' Wrinklet as my leave-in conditioner and my DIY Curlsmith gel. And I did not hand curl anything today. I just scrunch everything out. My hair is still pretty wet right now. All right, so right now I'm gonna go back in my bathroom. I'm gonna diffuse my hair and then I'll come right back to show you the end result. See you in a second. Okay, my loves, this is it. This is the final result after diffusing my hair. What can I say? Definitely more hydration in my hair, definitely more definition to my hair. I feel like my curls, Luna, can you move? All right, come here. Whoa. Here you go. I feel like my curls are, well, I scrunch my hair. I did not hand curl you guys, okay? So whatever you see here is whatever my natural hair wants to give, right? So I have more of a wavy hair back there, and I have more of a wrinklet curls in the front here. And I think that compared to what I showed you this morning, I'm definitely having more definition, more hydration, and then my hair feels a little bit stronger, if that makes any sense. The sensation is very similar to what I had when I did the treatment. What was it called again, that treatment? It was a weird name. So yeah, the filling in my hair is very similar to that. Now let's talk about the treatment itself. Every ingredient in the treatment has a purpose. The yogurt is more for the hydration. The milk is gonna give you all that hydration. There's protein in the yogurt that's gonna give that protein that I want. The sugar is gonna crystallize everything together. The egg has the protein and the good fat, which is good for hydration, and of course protein is what I'm going after. The honey has that's gonna give that silkiness, that hydration again to the hair. The rice water, the amino in the rice water is gonna help my hair strands to be stronger and more elastic. I think there's a little bit of protein in the rice, but I'm not 100% sure. And then what else did we put in there? I think that's pretty much all. So, all the ingredients are working together to infuse the hair. The heat that I put all around there is going to infuse the hair for a while and just help restructure, help fill up the gaps when it needs to be filled up, and all that. Now, it is very watery, so if you want to make it a little bit more creamy, I recommend that you take a mask that you like that is too thick for your hair. For example, I have two masks right now that I really like, but they're just a little bit, it's just for my fine hair, I want something a little bit more soft. And so right now the deep treatment mask from Shea Moisture, this is the one I am talking about right here. This is a great mask. I love it, but it is too thick, too thick, too thick. You see how it looks like if my camera wants to focus on it. It's really thick. Another mask that I really like, that I've been using for about a week now, is the Manuka and Honey and Yogurt Hydrated and Repair Protein Power Treatment. So this is the sample, this is the color, this is the packaging. Same thing, I adore this mask. The problem is that it is too thick. This DIY that we did would be a great way to water down the mask. If we mix them together, I think we can get a really nice consistency, and our hair would be able to absorb it a lot better. Now the heat, I think the heat is very important when you're trying to really have your hair absorb the nutrition and the properties of your treatment. I don't do heat a lot. I do it maybe a few times a year, and when I do it, I definitely see a difference in how my hair responds to the treatment. What else can I say? That's pretty much all, I think. I talked about everything. I don't remember if I did a close-up, so I'm just gonna show you a close-up of my hair right now. There you go, that's one side. Again, the wavy side is more on the back for me, and I feel like for hair that's been only scrunched, not hand curled at all, I have a pretty nice definition. And then the other side, Voila. Well, this is it for this video, my loves. Let me know in the comments below what you think. If you think you're gonna try, if you did try, if you have your own DIY treatment, whether it's protein treatment or deep conditioning treatment, share it with us, share it with me. I would love to try it. And I feel like, you know, there's a little community now going on here. So the more we share with each other, the better it is. Bon, ben voilà. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I will see you guys next week with a new video. Until then, my loves, have a beautiful life. Au revoir et à bientôt.
Hey, c'est la vie.